Wave goodbye to stubborn acne and welcome a clearer, more confident you with the Advanced Acne Treatment at Dr. Kumar's clinic. It's not just about treating spots, it's about rejuvenating your skin's health and boosting your self-esteem. Our journey begins with a comprehensive skin analysis by Dr. Kumar himself, allowing us to pinpoint the root cause and customize your treatment for the best results. No two acne cases are identical, and so our Advanced Acne Treatment is personalized to your unique skin type, acne severity, and potential triggers. We harness advanced technologies, including laser therapy and targeted medications to fight acne at its source and keep future breakouts at bay. Our method often combines various approaches, including laser treatments, chemical peels, and medical-grade skincare for a holistic and effective approach. Experience the life-changing power of our Advanced Acne Treatment without lengthy recovery periods. Our aim is to deliver results with minimal disruption to your daily life. Under the guidance of Dr. Kumar, a seasoned dermatologist, your skin is in the hands of a dedicated professional. We extend beyond treating symptoms to creating a supportive environment for your skincare journey. Beyond quick fixes, our Advanced Acne Treatment provides lasting results by addressing the root causes of acne. Experience the transformative power of clear, radiant skin with the Advanced Acne Treatment at Dr. Kumar Skin, Hair and Laser Clinic. It's about empowering you to put your best face forward, because we believe that clear skin is a journey worth taking.